In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth not working on Chromebook. Intro. First things first, you need to look down in the bottom right corner and you're going to see a little Bluetooth icon by the time. Go ahead and select it, and you need to essentially turn off Bluetooth, wait about 5 seconds, and then turn it back on. If your device appears but won't connect, you need to open up settings and go specifically to your Bluetooth settings, and you could just hit the settings gear down in the bottom right corner as well by the time. But go into your Bluetooth settings, and yours may look a little bit different from mine. Go ahead and find the device under previously connected, select the arrow by it, and you essentially need to go ahead and hit forget or remove, and then place the device back in a pairing mode and reconnect it again. If the Bluetooth option is grayed out, it won't turn on. Shut down your Chromebook and press and hold the refresh key, and then tap the power button and release the refresh key once the Chromebook begins starting up again. This is going to perform a hardware reset and may restore the Bluetooth controller without deleting your files. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.